My name is Abhinab.
We've prepped the scalp this morning with a ring block, which means we use a very small amount of local anesthetic such as lidocaine. This allows us to go around the ring of the bottom of the scalp and achieve maximum anesthesia with the minimal concentration of local anesthetic.
It's been great. So I got the surgery in December. I got the hair, I saw the major changes midway in the year, 6 months, and now it's been 12 months. So it's been nice result. So I might get a top up again. It's the second hair transplant basically to increase the density on this area, on these two areas. The procedure has been really smooth. Yeah, it's the hair density has grown a lot. It's no one can notice it that this is a hair transplant. I have been more confident with the hair thing, and especially it helps with the collaborations and all the conferences that I have to attend in the near future or I've attended. So I just attended one 2-3 weeks ago, and it gives you more confidence when you're talking about the presentation. So yeah, it's been nice.